Alright, do you want to disable a cube like this, but via a script? Well, here's how you do it. It's very easy. First, you go right click, then go create, then C# script. Once you click that, it's going to show up with this thingy, and you're just going to name it whatever you want. I called it disable object to keep it simple. Open that up, and what you're going to type out is public game object with 2 capital letters, and then whatever name you want. I could just name it name if you really wanted to. And you're going to take that name, then you're going to do name dot set active false. And there you are. When you go back into the game, you're going to need to put this on something. So I just have a little empty game object, create empty, and then I just named it script holder. So you can throw that on there. And then you have your game object right here. You're going to throw your cube on there, or whatever you want to disable. Could be anything. And when you press play, it's going to be disabled. Magic. Here's some ways to help it out or make it a little bit better. First, you don't technically need to have public game object if you're going to have it on there already, which kind of defeats the purpose in my opinion, but yeah. So if you're just going to put the script object on the object that you want to turn off, you technically all you need is this dot game object with the first G being lowercase, and you could technically just change, you can put that in the start if you're just going to have it turn off immediately. But yeah, once you go in there, take the script off the script holder object, and then put it onto your object that you want to disable. And when you go back in, it's gonna be disabled because this refers to whatever object is being, or whatever object the script is on, and then it takes from the game object portion of that, and then it sets it to false. So it's very easy, very simple. Here's another way. This is just like a better way. You're gonna need that public game object back, and I'm just gonna call it object because I don't know, better name, you know. Throw that back. We're gonna take this and this off, so that it's gonna be false, and we're gonna do an if statement, which is gonna be if input dot get key down, and then we're gonna do key code dot a. This just checks when you press the letter A. This is the key code, so basically just checking which letter. And you're gonna put A, you can put whatever letter you want. You can put space, you can put, there's a ton. Unity documentation has it all, but pretty simple to learn. And you're gonna have that, and then now, once you put this in here, and we go back, and you do have to assign it this time. I know it's pretty annoying, but you have to assign it. You have to put your object that you want. Just put disable cube. Go in there. Now, when we press the magical letter of A, it disappears. So yeah, that's how you kind of disable an object in Unity. Pretty fast, pretty simple. And yeah, hope you guys learned something.